A user logged on with administrator privileges can add a camera by navigating to the server icon and selecting Cameras to begin the process. When the Camera tab is open, you'll see a list of installed cameras. Click on the New button to activate the new camera wizard. Check that the Add New Camera option is selected and also that the correct camera driver is loaded. Search the Cathexis website under Integrations to see if your specific camera is integrated. Alternatively, the ONVIF driver can be selected if the camera is ONVIF compliant. We will be using the Access driver for our camera. Enter the correct camera IP address and login and password details. The factory default can be found in the manufacturer's manual. Clicking Next connects the camera. The camera status will go from waiting for device to connecting to device and finally connected. Once the camera is connected, the general settings screen will allow you to give the camera a descriptive name. Driver, IP and MAC address and firmware details also appear on the screen. Next opens the video feed settings, where the formats and resolution can be adjusted. Accepting the default settings will work. The camera should now appear on the cameras list. Selecting the Site tab opens the camera viewing screen, where we can drag the camera from the Resources panel onto the video wall where we can view its stream. We have added the camera to CathexisVision. Thank you for watching.